This is Nick. He's a programmer, and like all programmers, he's facing greater challenges as time goes on, as the technology of our computing platforms gets better and better. Crowds of tiny transistors and Moore's law mean all us computer engineers have to cut wattage corners wherever we can. In the software realm, there's little to offer for analyzing or minimizing power consumption, and we aim to change that. With PoweRx, testing how much power your code is consuming is simple. Set up, start, finish. You can use it to quickly pinpoint the most power-hungry areas in your code, and here's how it works. With the PoweRx software installed and a secure internet connection, just hook up your system to the PoweRx device and load the start screen. Select the platform you're running on and load your code. Hit start and the two-pass algorithm begins. 1. PoweRx fills your code with calls to our profiling functions and runs it to create a slightly inflated execution timeline. 2. Your code is run a second time with the digital and analog discovery scope to record its actual power behavior. And lastly, PoweRx will compare the two passes and construct a power profile, a quantitative and visual summary of your program's power consumption. These are your results. Different runs will produce different data. You have access to the power and energy usage as well as the time stats of each function in your code. Mousing over the function's name shows its code. Everything is color-coded to emphasize the power hotspots. Sort the table of profiles based on any of the stats provided to gain as much insight into your software as possible. PoweRx works best with mobile and embedded systems with clock frequencies in the megahertz range. We believe the PoweRx prototype is the ideal tool for the power-conscious programmer.